Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are continuing the topic on sets. So now we are going to discuss frozen sets. Frozen sets. Uh, Normal sets are mutable, whereas frozen sets are immutable. That means the all the operations we can't do directly if you declare as a frozen set. So let us say the same example. If you try to understand, if you take this one, let us say some f is equal to uh, frozen frozen set of 10 comma 20 and print a print f. So what happens, we'll see. See, this is a frozen set. So we can, so now we'll try to do the operations like addition and what are the remove operations, whatever maybe. Now try to do any addition operations like f dot add some 50. So what happened, we'll see. Print f. So it shows error actually. We'll see. See, the frozen set object has no attributes like add. So all these attributes are not there in this frozen set. Frozen means completely freeze. That is a, because it's a because if you declare the set as a frozen, that is the immutable set. Yeah. Now, yeah, this way we can get a frozen sets. Okay. So hope you understand. Thank you.